ennaku zino amakampuni g'essimu genyigidde mu kuwola ensimbi ng'omuntu bwe yandigenze mu bbanka. Abaka ba palamenti abatula kacooka by'amawulire ne tekinologiya bagamba nti enkola entali nnungamu bulungi abeewoze bajjako amagoba agali wakati w'ebitundu 2.5 ku 10 okusinziira ku nsimbi omuntu z'aba yeewoze. Obutafaananako n'enkola za bbanka ezirungamizibwa bbanka y'eggwanga enkulu, aba mobile money emirimu gyabwe tegirungamizibwa mu mateeka agakola ku by'ensimbi, abaka ba palamenti bagamba nti si kirungi. Etteeka erirungamya enkozesa y'ensimbi erya Financial Institutions Act akatundu namba 11B kawa bbanka ya Uganda enkulu obuvunanyizibwa okuwa layisinsi kampuni ezikola emirimu gy'ebyensimbi ssaako biki bye balina okwenyigiramu. Wano abaka basinzidde okubuuza omukungu wa bbanka enkulu Justine Bagyenda lwaki balagajjalira obuvunanyizibwa buno bugutuka ku mobile money.
If a money lender lends me money through Airtel, and me I know Airtel is the one who has given me money, and if anything happens, how does Bank of Uganda get involved in the transaction or regulate the transaction? Because according to the Act in the Financial Bill, it's not at all indicating money lenders act.
How do you then allow mobile money to just come up with services that are not stipulated in your letters of no objection? There's no borrowing, but you've continued to see.
We have been frank that we are not regulating mobile money, money lenders, but as my colleague have all stated, our role.
Not that you're regulating money lenders,
we don't, and we are not going to regulate them.
You're encouraging money lenders on a platform which you created for a different purpose.
A platform, it's like a road. This road from here to Chittagum, you are not going to say that trailers are not, as long as you don't limit trailers, they will drive
So
to
why
Chittagum.
don't you limit the trailers?
We are not going
Because
to
you have
limit.
The power to limit the
No,
trailers.
it's a legal transaction, it's a legal platform, it's a legal product.
And the population is not aware that the money they get, for instance, from Wewole, is not from Airtel. Everybody think it's Airtel or MTN, but behind that, they are business people. For instance, we have money lenders who are using that platform through a particular teleco to lend money to people. And as a committee, we were concerned especially because of the rates.
The borrowing service on mobile money, it's a very, very dangerous thing. Bank of Uganda has come out clearly. They have no explanation on this.
Mukwewozaako Bagyenda ategeezezza nti bo bavunanyizibwa ku bikwatagana n'amagoba. Abaka bagamba nti enkola ya mobile money ekuza ebitagambika ng'erimu ensimbi nnyingi nga n'olwekyo obutabaako mateeka gagifuga kuba kuleeta bizibu.
The rate at which technological advancements are coming on board, people are now talking of cryptocurrencies. If, as Bank of Uganda, they still don't have a regulatory framework and a legal regime to manage mobile money platform that has been in existence for the last 10 or so years, what about cryptocurrencies that are now the thing in the financial transactions?
That's why we need a national payment systems law to look at all payment service providers. We agreed last time, and we have still agreed, and that's why we have to work quickly with the legislators that when we bring this law into Parliament, let it be passed quickly.
Wabula abaka bagamba nti okuddamu okukoleddwa kwalete kumatiza.
Of course, I'm not satisfied, and that's why we remain behind as a committee to see how we can structure the report.
How arrogant they are. They have no respect for anyone. They are from Central Bank, the highest regulatory authority for the banking sector, and so they are too big. But I know we shall handle them.
Mu mawanga nga Kenya, enkola eno eya mobile money, banka yayo enkulu yagiteekako amateeka.